that guy scoping. Oh shit. This is nice up here. You can get shot in the legs, but it won't hurt as bad.
Yeah, I hate getting shot too.
Somebody's in that box just shooting the wall.
That's not fair. I see the guy right in front of me. So I heard where it's just on.
Nice.
Hey bud, there's a second story.
I'm just waiting for that guy to pull out the damn the guy crouching. The guy right there. I gotta just waiting for somebody.
Okay, watch the guy who's there. Videotape that guy playing on the phone.
Well, that guy's like invisible. Somebody's in that box. Run, Phil!
I'm considering it. If we do another game, I'm figuring out where I want to put them because I want more of the shooting play. I'm only going this. There's stories for now. Taking the time. You hit, bud? Yeah. Pretty close though. Oh, you're gonna get slammed by ricochets, by the way, Chris. You see him going there and flying off.
Better than getting a real shot, though. I would rather take a ricochet. This is so sweet.
Hey! Oh, mother bitch!
Hit called!
You got caught? You got shot?
No, hit called as in he got shot. Yeah. Hey, he's hit. That guy's hit.
So that's what they do when they get hit? They have to go and sit down?
I don't know. As long as they're out of the way, they're all good.
He's laying prone in the grass. You see him? Laying prone in the grass. You got L over on the far left. L's out.
Oh, he's ready. Look at that gun.
Come on, get some!
That guy's just moving.
Where they at? He's out in the middle of the goddamn field. Kind of hard to miss.
Hey, Dad? Do you know what happened to the ground stuff or no?
We're done. He's hit.
Okay. Okay, that's game. Okay.
Who wins?
Corner team wins. No losses. You just dead how go set the next one.
Alright. Oh, what's up, buddy? You a winner?
Do you guys want to redo it and switch sides or change up teams?